today it's snowing very wildly yesterday, so I'm gonna try to do this path right here, and it's probably gonna be hard. And if you're wondering, I started.
So steep. Are you okay?
Almost there, I think. I'm almost there, you guys. Almost there, I guess.
Oh, it is that much
Hi,
difficult.
this is me, Tanvi, and you see it's really wild snow today. Should I tell you why? So last night, actually last afternoon, I think, probably, it started snowing, and we thought it was a very small snow, but it turned out to be huge. It's sinking me, you know. I mean, look at this. So, what happened is
Son of a become so short.
yeah, probably. I'm gonna go in that plain snow over there, a little bit of it, and see how it is. You see, it's so hard to just move. Okay, guys, I challenge you. If you live in the same neighborhood or something, or you live in New Jersey, try this out. Go into like an open field where there's lots of snow today, and then just go in it. See how much it is. For me, it's a lot.